na ne yakoni yakotwetwa bi enso awe na mobaka na on Friday on this same platform and ayala twen yen na adwinkosi so in fact me say na msesto na didi ewa around and ayala twen adwinsi so say sombaka ya ball last season league ni wie ya na House of Folk ene omuko didi drama ni a party ways coach adwuma no so beda eye empan enche na Ghana Premier League no ye baba started 2026-27 a season no ama teams no bia shase a all ye pre-season na House of Folk there pre-season na amu announce even a head coach kro di team no ebe started pre-season na omo enso ntimi enya enti no na House of Folk fans no me worried say edi na obia bobo no na ase de yehu ye left to your right na de na mpanimfo enso eye nano Saturday and the House and Penny for Sampa supporters no yet to say because of say season no barber shasi or say and yet House of Folk yet me a new head coach and into joining live on Facebook yet the coach and funny at their tour sounds on our YouTuber the same thing Obenya at the new coach of Serbia has and no assigned 2-year contractor and also holding a UEFA license out the bedi jumano at the ama aye House of Folk nidi aye Nebojša aye Kapor ono na obedi jumano enso at the ama aye House of Folk na openi some of the more kwachire kakra Ghana Premier League no onim ne bopa because waba ba ye juma pen one me de ma ye juma one ye ne ankasa be chemi United fo nso aye juma na etama youth ono mo nso no aye juma enti the Ghana League the opening no onim na nusu pa onim ne bo enso eye na House of Folk wana no ye ba studio ama san so confirm say Richard Kense olele ono say ono na o ma pa no as the goalkeepers aye trainer and as a goalkeepers coach ono so no ebedi dwumadi no at the ama aye House of Folk gradually am say House of Folk technical team no empedifo enso everybody at the eba Jude Owusubafo, good morning.
Good morning, Rich.
Now, I want to say,
oh, many Nyamiadum now, so
Nyamiadum, it was on Friday, now you're worried.
Yes.
Saying the House of Folk ban the coach. Is that the coach, Abba?
No, but when the class over here Saturday in one, me they can't break his story, no.
Okay.
Of course, then I'm from but me break his story, no. Me say me break his story, no, be 1 hour later.
And
officially, yes. Me kai technical team set up or mobile be ni na me say a free Saturday and then Tuesday a man phone sharing has been in the technical team intimate honestly mu be anywhere because names are Saturday no na my ball has say by Tuesday and we achepa no because let me as a matter of fact say and when heading sika no na Nhyira wa born homodin we issue check what's almost clear exactly also almost clear intina no near adia babe impediment also almost clear sa debt no answer inti enyem but Rich ye be cost story no na no pensu ye be che etiefo near do twedi ampo ase da no director of sports ya ade bi ha na mete ona wo se agume o kan sempa about nipa ya o farmer kekrela mebo ha na odi ya futu na you pick a lot of lessons out of it. Rich, ni power nkwa wade nyina so nim sa. Ha de otie bia nso da onyame ase. E bia na obi situation no de toto de ho a. O de ye. So ade ase. Aha. Rich ade ni. De ni e hwe anim ne say e be say House of Folk enemy ni coach ne the technical team. E ade ba kwa na ye hwe animu kane. Enye hwe animu kane wi ansa na nkomo bia wo ho biom so ne asan di mebo a. Okay, good. And as I say, House of Folk, ayo obi akuma so ade ade ama no, including yen central for aye worried. Say you perceive say has no progress. And you know, aye good. Say any when name the technical team to aye obi akuma so ade ama no. But oye wie no, any e baba be di hu nkomo nso yie. Rich, the first thing I baby sound Couple.
Oye hwan.
Obebi sa ho sa de. Because say House of Folk kotoko efa coach definitely I am interested in me pa. any other team FR except Abia Mediema are with the level no any other team far na interest in said in the West Stadia because Obi expect much from the other clubs except our big boys see into your fan the coach near Tuyebo near say analysis of Nipani CV near share the aims and ambition of the club said CV na Nipano Edebano it will match up to those standards. Yes, I money now. Now, Rich, first of all, say offer Kapor and a advantage back when they say on Ghana Premier League. No, advantage back. Tell my youth, the any Premier League club, Pachoti, then Premier League club no Coco Far Omo. That was a period that tell my youth 2020, 2021. No more person, yes, I know person cyber back into the Premier League. NT and on the Division 1 in Como. Now, more fat team like Bechem United, or family dear man, obey Premier League in Como. And a dynamic catcher was idea back when you're very keen, they say. Because of the timing, yes, Seliga says September 4th. Yeah. Clubs don't want to shall see a year recruitment. It is all quite coach, no, I'm going to fuck coach, or you're conversant with the system. Obe bre. Because signings na man for yedda. Race one. And to be panisal but no nim system no more or at a huge disadvantage because you are rich. The disadvantage when they say one say coach no or ba behind you two players also no mu adwuma any o mu ntimi any o mu nya adwuma or be sad dey no adwuma and sana wa ba signings so and disadvantage are usually ana wo me say ujai e dey ama nkrofo bi say scouting team a ebi on mo Ghana had no creba cooperate me no name interest in the doors meboa
yeah makoda
2-3 seasons ago has ye
me nipa bi player no me enko fa no mra
mo enso e bia na on merit 2-3 seasons ago has ye ba ko bi sort top journalist ote ono na ye recruitment dem mo but the wie no e kire nsem bebiri enti enim sa de no nti sa na coach no normally o you be onim system no onim players na e ma ne mre onim de abo asamo obuadu ma ne be successful heart of folk buadu eba heart of folk no because of the experience or Ghana Premier League no rich anya den patos out here nti okase me pe Ibrahim Salifu a okase me pe Caleb Amankwa a players onim omo dada anya de foforo entim bia nso no nim tim bia de ewom ahoɔden any baby any weakness so rich couple at Mediema the last Ghanaian job oye ansa no de adwuma ne to 2023-2024 at Mediema. The first season, also on it, Nhyira Augustine Adote. At a point, or coach team or a technical director and a little bit coach team, no mobile African now. Later, no, Adote as a quite technical director, Nakapo, it take you over as a head coach. The first season, Pacho say in the city, or the Mediema, on your 8 wins, on your 5 draws, and on your 8 defeats, and on the almost finish 8th. So it's any pa. Yes. And within that period,
watch 8 I'm here say 8 at yawo.
And our board drawn so 5.
No place you say 8.
8. No asaba or saying 6 wins before all corner. On your 6 wins subsequently the following season. 3 draws, 4 losses. Net team net a 5th. You know Jahokoi. Dear Amma me decide we eba. And who here is a rich. Sir offer papa ni Sylvia na ushemu critically di obehu ni se club Ghana hanom no e wo sra okochi e Mediema pacho so what a point na say and ono mu ka se u scrutinize ni CV bebre kra na di obehu ni se at a point wo Croatia Serbia waye university technical director Sani Manema on said nya eniema emu edru e di free ho so say offer ni CV now, Kaka said, "Oh, the name compare coach Didi Dramania." Clearly, Ubo said, "Did the CV out the bar had to folk and the papa CV there? Did was true be pretend? In him son me ajuna."
In terms of CV,
they say on to Didi. Didi ajuma okoye or no jelan.
Say Ebia, yeah, kind of in terms of Didi Didi fine. But I think Obi Okuta UEFA license is A. And it's even in your CV.
There be bro. Oh, the what can UEFA license A? Now, Obisa Didi or say a CAF instructor so Refia. One of the elite coaches are near war. and yet just Ghana, Africa, or Kahu. What coach or no Jelan na Pacho Uti. Didi trophies or J with Asante Kotoko. The first coach or J Kotoko double the mom that is the league and the FA Cup. Pacho so when you point in part. So Ufa Didi. Now Ufa coach here clearly. Didi SCV was through the chain. And yes, I net here. But Rich, at the end they say couple where Jumaye Kessie pa. Because the entire makers or where Jumaye no. Pacho Edika ohu. Time now had to folk epamo Didi Dramani no. Me Edika afa yera. So ko had to folk border ohu. Nipa ba ko ani wait e was through ye pa. Dr. Nyahota Makulu so ye papa tobe afa di free wa. The next person in terms of weight or kase wom on na senior most board member. Our kasa edimu ye pa no. Me pacho ye papa
Dr. Nyahota Makulu. Me
pacho kind idea yeah papa kind at the tour.
We cannot be defending all the time. You must change our style of play. He added, according to Dr. Tamaklo, Hansel have qualified quality players.
Yes,
but have struggled due to their inability to score enough goals consistently. A problem that has prevented the club from challenging at the highest level.
Okay.
Now so can. About half of a goal, I say we are footballers, but I can see that some of them are not giving us the goals that will help us move higher. We are always finding ourselves in the middle ground. He stated.
Okay. Now, most of our so-called wins were very minimal.
Apart from that, we either drew or lost. I say how we did not get.
To the level we wanted is surprising to some of us. Dr.
Tamaklo
explained. Perfect. Me pacho na fa ye de eyin so beto so how to folk official statement. After omo pam Didi Dramania or the team they place third. And a transfer ban edane so. What am pacho kind
of where they move for?
Okay, projecting in here. Okay. In summary,
Jude trying.
Okay, in summary, asma had to folk kind. And they say but I ain't your mother Pamu Didi. And they say, Eddie Kaino, and Pempenswa had to folk a person oko. Some Pempenswan, Omu say, Didi ain't mean form enco. As I saw Mobutai say, I was say Ghana Hanum, Omia Klaba, Ojina Brani, Uti, Obient min nempre. Obienso say, Sanso Tuasona, a Bibrimha, African and so. Yeah, can clubs a Kukudamua, or Kahubi. So purpose near me, and Omu say, Didi ain't mean form and cock sa purpose, and our botaino. Good. So based on that, into Muja Didi, crying, baby, anyone in discipline, a bemu, someone side, don't tell you what Tamaklos unsight is hiding. Almost all purpose into Omudijana crying, into me costly by the house na kind. Now, Rich, say all fat CV, I can't want him, any Didi. And can realistically no crepani say, and can that aim already is defeated. Patriotti say, can strictly by the severe coach Ukra. Now they compare Didia and the Ukrainian aim name we defeated already. However, I'll see my coach know that benefit of doubt. Because Buadu Urbano, now Unkra one of the finest CVs. Buadu, none the Premier League experience I am a DMA. At a point and an access posea nanko betimi do omwaje. But the point is that not on said that TV be in terms of ABA trophies near there. Or be really to show. That's what I say. But ultimately Jumano. Name the difference between Coach Yidie and the Buadu Diane say. Coach Ibano or but at a huge disadvantage. I didn't make us one had to folk on one the top scorer or Lucino. A Brantiano. Likely say enche obetis Suwele United or Suwele United or South Africa assign or no one I training make Hamza isa on there almost main strike or the goals no more say since you who another player and so on no so they drew the idea or no so the goals Mauli now him there who so him say Solomon Agbesi Ghana me no can say Agbesi or South Africa
okay
how simple you for Africa Agbesi almost friend on fa so it is likely I'm a more free agent back who dim was South Africa no munim say including Alaji can be ISR corn. Who's Alaji currently only or Cote d'Ivoire for Ninti? I a calls in enti agbesi besine has pen na di nkomo nso omunya no
okay
obi ni maybe ana Benjamin Asayo nsumbu kra no per the mpanfo kan the offer ba na ye ombema nako
but in a nutshell so we had
yes
has mpanfo gina so the pam didi
yes
and the new coach you are
and the new coach no and I make us no that is so fun by CV dia
emfa
and en come sound the prophet of doom emfa na mum obi nim how supportive are board no ebeye and a coach no so the other because sometimes beyond the CV I mean no ye di ani hu ene nkomo ayedi no e bia pe nkomo a coach ne empanyimfo di ansa na omo fa no e bia nkomo mo believe say e be meet you expectation beyond the year ko radio so
justify the means
that is the point but the CV di ankanya mi enukreni ene anka empanyimfo e na mu defeated
Jude Ozuba for eno Martin kana for no tumi na